Hey guys, Erica with a K here. Today is the ultimate get ready with me. If you know me, you know that I love going to Goodwill and I love shopping on the dollar days. And I think that those are the days that they're about to purge everything. So everything of a certain color is $1. And I picked up this dress for literally $1. And I knew that I had this event coming up and I wanted to wear it. So another thing about me is I don't make clothes I'm not going to wear. I make clothes that are not only wearable, but that I intend to wear for specific events. And this dress was one of those. So yeah, I'm also gonna do my hair and makeup in this video, so stay tuned for that too. It's like the ultimate get ready with me. So I just turned the dress upside down and I started putting the bottom of the hem at my neck because it was easier for me because there was like an opening on that end. Probably button this. Oh, sorry, that was me talking to myself. I was saying how I need a button, but I had it upside down because there was an opening there, so it was easier for me to measure it on myself. I don't have a dress form because there's no body that has my type because I am a flattie. I had a prophylactic bilateral mastectomy and I decided to get an aesthetic flat closure. So I can only really put clothes up to me and sew it that way. And also I don't follow patterns because I have ADHD. I don't have the head for it. So now I'm asking my husband for help.
Together? Yeah, I think that's perfect.
It's not actually together, but
That's okay. Can you see my scars?
no, barely.
Like, that's a nice silhouette, right?
Mm-hmm.
Alright, let me just pin this. I'm hoping like I can get some stretch on this. What do you think?
You gonna dance in it?
Babe! My stuff has 100% satisfactory guarantee.
Yeah, right. You gonna be dancing in this thing?
Babe, please! What are you kidding me? I'm gonna undo these. This is sexy if it fits.
Yeah.
All right. Don't
What?
need to hear what you were gonna say.
What am I gonna say?
If it fits.
I didn't say anything at all. 100% guaranteed satisfaction. Okay.
Especially there.
I mean, babe. Yeah, exactly. People better not be in ricochet range.
100% satisfactory guarantee, babe.
Okay.
Hey. Babe, I don't want to hear you laughing.
I'm literally not laughing at all right now. I'm just holding my breath.
It's all fun and games.
Until
I get this to fit me perfectly.
And then?
Wow, babe, you're amazing.
I think you're amazing anyway.
Alright, come back with me. Do you like how my pants are around my
Yes,
ankles?
I see that. %100% satisfaction guarantee on this?
Yeah. Why?
Just wondering.
Is the back so much
It's
shorter than the
a
front?
little low on the back. It's up to you. I mean, this side's higher than this side.
Oh, like here you mean?
Yeah.
Oh. I meant like, the bottom.
No.
Same?
We're close.
Not the same.
I think it might be the same, babe. Why say not the same?
I didn't know if my butt was,
in the back. That's sexy.
Okay. So this is what the dress looks like. I went ahead and I sewed it. So this top has a button, and I do want to put a clasp on it as well because I'm not sure the button is fitting perfectly. Fits. If it fits, it ships.
That's great.
Formal during the day. Right?
Yes.
Like, do you think I need to do anything else in the back?
No.
Well, I need to take out this because this is going to make me look like I'm wearing a diaper.
What is?
Like this. So I just have the extra material just flapped in there.
Oh, yeah.
So I have to take that out.
But I kind of like the way it cups over, so you guys still need.
Yes. I need to keep enough material.
I'm so thoroughly impressed.
Really?
Yeah, it's an amazing dress.
I want to go a little bit, like I want to clean up this. I didn't finish the edges here.
Okay.
I want to finish the edges here.
Yeah.
But they're stretched, so like I can still dance in it.
I am so impressed. That's your best work yet.
What?
You don't think so?
Do you think this is at all inappropriate?
I do not think so, no. It's a gown, isn't it?
Like, is anybody gonna be like, that's inappropriate for this event?
Is anybody? I don't know what other people are going to say. I don't think it's inappropriate. You should think it's inappropriate. I don't care what anyone else says.
Babe, how about wanna dance? So those were not the shoes I was wearing, and that was round 1 of the dress. So we're gonna have a round 2 coming soon. But now I'm actually gonna blow dry my hair. This is something I haven't done like this since 2019. I mean, I blew dry it when my hair was growing out, but after 2019 is when I started shaving my head, and I had a pixie cut, and I had short hair, and I had a buzz cut, and I was bald. So this is the first time that I'm blow drying my hair at this length because usually I wear it naturally curly. So I definitely half-assed this. This isn't like a tutorial. That's why we're just kind of speeding through it. I wanted my hair to be like 90% dry. Also, have to say, my hair looks so damaged, and it's like, I guess maybe it is, but it looks so dry in this video. It's like painful. So I definitely need to start like deep conditioning. But fun fact, I sell mystery boxes on Poshmark that are hair products, and every once in a while I go through them to make sure that nothing's expired in them. I'm not trying to sell you guys like expired products. And so I went through it the other day, and I saw a shampoo in there was expired. So I was like, oh, let me like use this myself, because we can use it for ourselves, but we don't want to sell it to other people. And not only did it totally mess up my allergies, like I could not stop sneezing. I had to stop using it and like wash my hair with my regular shampoo, my Rockstyle one, just so I would stop sneezing. But also I think it dried the shit out of my hair, because my hair is way too dry for me, like never even applying heat to it and like only highlighting it like twice. Like this is too dry for that. So anyway, this is what we got. I should do a 360.
You're a fun boy.
Fun boy. Fun boy.
Dude, what kind?
Doing my hair was the night before is when I blew dry it, and then I just pinned it up, and then I showered again in the morning. I also did my nails white with a little bit of shimmer. All right, I used a new product today to tan my body. I don't know, I got it on Poshmark. I'm a little worried. I think it's good. It's actually quite nice, but I don't know how, if it's, it says it's not going to transfer, but who knows. But anyway, let me get ready. Finally going to wear the dress. So I'm going to do my makeup here, and then I'm going to go downstairs and do my hair. I'll take you guys with me. And then I'm gonna, cause like I don't have a setup for it. Like I have to hold the mirror, and I can't hold the mirror and do my hair at the same time. So yeah. All right, I'm gonna like redo this, like put more black on it and then blend it out again. But I think I don't need to film this because it's not a tutorial. I'll see you guys later. Okay, this is it. This is the final outfit. This is the hair. Let me get my shoes on. So I still have more material from the original dress that I thrifted for $1. So I will have another video coming out making that. But overall, what do you guys think about this final look? Also, sorry I didn't record putting my hair in an updo, but let me know what you guys think about this style of video, and also, of course, what you think about the dress. But I love you guys so much. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!